If you have a septic tank or a sewage treatment plant, then you need to watch this video. On the 1st of January 2020, the UK government are introducing a whole new set of rules and regulations for septic tanks and sewage treatment plants. It's called the septic tank ban, and it's called the septic tank ban because many septic tanks that don't comply by this time will be banned and decommissioned up and down the country, and many septic tank owners will be fined and face prosecution unless you have one of these. Now, this is called a government compliance form. If you've got one of these forms on display in your kitchen or your utility room and you hand one to your solicitor, not only will you make your septic tank or sewage treatment plant compliant, but you'll also save thousands and thousands of pounds. And today I'm giving this form away for free. To get your free government compliance form, then all you need to do is visit www.septictank.co.uk.